This guide will help you register for and log into the ISAIC Create AI Cloud's VM on Demand platform. The VM on Demand platform empowers users and organizations to efficiently manage their virtual machines and monitor usage. It also provides both terminal and interactive graphical access to the VMs, enabling seamless remote interaction and control. ISAIC proudly serves registered companies across Canada. On this page, you can sign up and register for access to the portal. To begin, you will need to provide the following personal information: first name, last name, and email address. Additionally, please include details about your organization, registered business name, company website, and a valid phone number, personal or company. Complete all required fields in the form and verify the CAPTCHA to finish the registration process. If you are representing a registered Canadian business, we kindly ask that you share more information about your project requirements and any past experience with cloud services. This helps us better understand your needs and recommend suitable solutions. If your company is not registered in Canada, please note that ISAIC currently focuses on supporting businesses and organizations rather than individual users. Not-for-profit organizations are encouraged to provide a detailed description of their mission and the nature of their work. Once done, you will then see a confirmation message. Thank you for registering. This confirms that your registration request was submitted successfully. After signing up, you'll need to verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Open your email and look for a message from ISAIC VM on Demand with the subject line, ISAIC Cloud. Please confirm your email. If you don't see the message in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click the confirmation link in the email to complete the verification process. Once your email is verified, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your account request is being reviewed by the ISAIC team. As part of the review process, our support staff will assess your registration details. In some cases, an ISAIC representative may reach out to schedule a brief video discovery call to better understand your needs and project goals. Once your registration has been approved by ISAIC, you will receive a confirmation email with the subject line, ISAIC Cloud. Welcome to ISAIC Cloud. Let's get you started. This email includes a link to access the VM on Demand platform. Click the link provided to navigate to the login page and begin using the platform. Enter the email address you registered with, then click the Sign In button. You'll be redirected to a page asking for a verification code as part of two-factor authentication. You will receive an email with the subject line two-factor authentication, containing the code for login to the platform. Once you're logged into the platform, you can help us prepare your ideal setup by reviewing our pricing page and letting us know at support@isaic.ca. If you're unsure about the best configuration for your needs, we encourage you to book a discovery call with our team. We're happy to assist you in finding the right setup for your projects.